Today I've got one mission: eat my way through Port 27 and crown the best restaurant. Some dishes impressed me, others didn't. Let's get into it.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me born fi style. Girl a bubble for the kingdom, love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
All right, y'all. So today we're about to put this food hall to the ultimate test. We're about to see what they're working with, what they have on the menu, and I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. Welcome to Port 27, where great food and great vibes come together. From local favorites to international flavors, this food hall has something for everyone. And today we're about to put this place to the test. All right, guys. So the game is going on right now. They're showing it on a huge flat screen. So we're about to check out the game, then get something to eat, or we might get something to eat before we start watching the game. I think it's already halftime, so I think it's a perfect time to get something to eat. Huh? Yeah, they do that every game. Every game. All right, y'all. So I think I'm gonna start off by having like maybe a burger or some wings or something like that, just to start off my appetite. So I'm gonna let y'all know how the first one is, and we can go from there. So this is their menu. They have burgers, bacon cheeseburger. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Hey,
Plain.
she's looking. Well, she's looking for now.
I'm gonna have me a burger, but I just don't know which one. What's the best one?
Port 27.
Port 27? Okay. Fried eggs. Okay. All right, so I'll try the Port 27.
Everything on that, okay?
Yeah, everything's
Alright.
good.
No fried fish?
All right, y'all. So I decided to get the Port 27. It comes with cheese, lettuce, tomato, onions, avocado, potato sticks, fried eggs, bacon, and the Port 27 sauce. So that's what I'll be going with. So I'm gonna let y'all know. All right, what we're working with. Keep watching. All right, guys. So we ordered some burgers, like 3 burgers, cheeseburgers. Now we're about to check out their pizza spot, pizza restaurant. So once we get inside, we'll show you exactly how the setup is, the ambience and all that good stuff. This is a little outside outdoor seating area. All right, so this is what the inside is looking like. All right, let's start off with the French fries, guys. French fries. The French fries are nice and crispy. Super crispy, freshly made, not soggy, and the flavor is on point. It's not too salty, just right. I'm gonna take a bite. It's pretty big. So the cheeseburger is more like a smash burger, but not super thin, and it's well seasoned, not bland. This is a lot of burger, a lot of meat. The burger is well put together, guys. What I like about the burger the most is the fact that they added a little bit of everything on this burger. It's not messy, and Also the Port 27 sauce. Delicious. Alright y'all, so it's that time. I'm about to try the veggie pizza. So this is the veggie pizza right here. You know, it's like black olive, tomato, spinach, tomato sauce, onion, and a few other toppings. This is so good. And the crust is not doughy. It's like nice and crispy on the outside, at the bottom, nice with the crust. And the top layer is like nice and soft. I'm about to try a few more things. I'll be trying some tacos in a minute and maybe some wings. I'm not sure yet, but you just gotta keep watching the video and you'll see what comes up next. As we continue exploring Port 27, we came across a really unique shop called Soap and Candle. They offer handcrafted soap, scented candles, body care products, and a variety of other gifts and accessories. If you're looking to treat yourself or pick up something special for someone, guys, this is definitely a spot worth checking out, you know, while you're here.
That's straight goat's milk, no scent, no color added.
This one? Oh.
Like the square one down there that has the oats on it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this one.
I didn't know goat's milk had like a caroby smell. But
Oh, this one is no smell, right?
Straight goat's milk,
Okay.
no added.
So I'm gonna get this, guys. The Beechwood, and Kaylee got some candles.
I didn't get candle.
You didn't get a candle?
I got a soap.
Oh, she got a soap, guys. Soap. So the name of the store is Soap and Candle, guys. Soap and Candle. And you can follow them at Soap and Candle, Port 27. Hello. Truffle, dark chocolate ganache. So we're just gonna finish the afternoon off, the day, by having some dessert. I decided to get a little bite of 70% chocolate ganache. So we're gonna test that out and let you know how it is. I'm not a big fan of sweets or pastries, but I decided that, hey, why not? It doesn't hurt to try, right? So I'm gonna let you know. Something about a good coffee shop that just makes you want to stay longer. The relaxing atmosphere, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, and a display filled with delicious pastries, desserts, and create that perfect ending to an unforgettable day at Port 27. If you enjoy cozy cafes with great vibes, this is definitely a place worth checking out, guys. So this is a 70% chocolate, dark chocolate, truffle ganache. So let's take a bite.
Soft.
So let me explain this. My first bite, first reaction is the fact that it's bitter, but it's only mainly on the outside, the exterior of the chocolate, right? But once you bite into it, after a few seconds, you're tasting that sweetness, you know, from the actual truffle and chocolate and whatever sugar they added to it. This is my first time trying it, by the way. It's pretty good. Definitely worth checking out. I would definitely try it again, to be honest. And the only thing that's missing right now, guys, is a nice hot cup of cappuccino. Yeah. You know what? No, I'm not even gonna do it. I'm gonna leave the coffee alone for this one for today. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all, alright? So if you enjoyed watching today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes, more vlogs, more Jamaican content, and much more. Peace.